Hey guys, we're here at Cabana Bay Resort at Universal Orlando, and we're going to give you a tour of a family suite in the Continental Tower. This suite sleeps 6 people. I do not have my little assistant today, so I'm not going to be able to open that up for you, but that is a pull-out sofa for sleeping 2. This is the main entrance when you come in. Small kitchenette with a refrigerator, microwave, great for heating up leftovers. Some storage on the shelf for your groceries. Make sure you get some water and snacks. We have coffee service here. It's a pod type system. Great cozy seating area here. The theming is the 50s at this resort, so this is going to be really reminiscent of things from like roadside hotels and family road trips. We got a TV in this room. There's plenty of storage here. Let's see. Nice deep drawers. Probably the best thing or my favorite thing about this room is right here. You got a slider. So if you have younger ones that need to go to bed a little earlier and you want to stay up and watch TV, you have some separate private space. When you come into the bedroom area, you're going to find 2 queen beds. Same theming continues in here. Get this big, beautiful round porthole window. Some rooms have that. Some rooms have standard windows where they'll be floor to ceiling. Another television. This is an accessible room, so the layout's a little bit different. The bathroom's a little bit bigger than they are in the other family suites, and it's less divided up, but the same basic amenities. You have a shower, sink, toilet, and you have your bath products here. And again, to keep with the theme, we have a Zest bath soap, and we have VO5 shampoo and conditioner. So that's a really cute little touch. Now, this hotel has 2 types of rooms. Some of them have exterior entry doors. Some of them have hallway entry doors. This is one with a hallway entry, so we have our window in the back of the room. We have a pool view. And then there are similar rooms that would have the entry on the outside walkway, so the seating area would be closer to the window as opposed to the beds. And then we have our closet for storage. There's plenty of space for your luggage here, guys, so don't worry about that. Even for a family of 6, plenty of room. Your safe, ironing board, and luggage rack. So plenty of space here for a family of 6. I hope this helps you decide where you want to stay on your next family vacation. Have a great day.